So we got Kenzo's derby car unloaded, and we're gonna pull the fan shroud and the fan and make sure that the motor is not locked up. And then once we do that, we're gonna put a wrench on the crank, make sure it's free, and then we're gonna hook up the fuel with an electric fuel pump and just run a tank off the side. Let's get rolling. He's only got one little bolt in there. Where did my cutters? Got a little wire holding her on. See, that bolt had broke off. And put some, that's not even tie wire, dude. That's electrical wire. Now we gotta get a wrench in there. Didn't give you much room in there. A little tight. That's where the mechanic fingers come in handy. One down, 3 to go. It's almost Christmas and it's 50 degrees out here. Unbelievable. That one's Brandon tight. That's what my dad used to say. She's not tight. She's Brandon tight. Long-winded. We got one left. Come on, baby. Wiggling. Come on. There it goes. A little bit of wire still holding on. And go in the trash. It's a big socket down there. We'll go get another tool. Be right back. Okay, so we got our socket on there, and she turns over like butter. That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's a good sign. So now we're just gonna cut the AC belt because we don't need it. Get rid of that, baby. And that pulley. Like it moved a little on me. Gonna get the bolt. Go back in there. In the water pump. That way we can just bolt it back on. Look, we can move a little bit to where it's not wanting to play nice. No, we got her. Almost had to spit on it, but we got her to go back in there. Put a couple bolts in there. Put all 4 of them back. That way we don't need no fan no more, because we'll be putting an electric fan. And my 7/16. You do a wrench. Just put them on there.
Hooray.
We got my right-hand man here today. My daughter, Kirsten. She's here from Arizona for the holidays.
I think the temperature did drop though.
Yeah,
We'll put on
it's
some
not
double legs.
not 50 no more. Okay, so we got that done. Now we are going to take off the air cleaner. See what we got in there. Stay right there without falling. A little bit of poopy poop in there. Nothing too major. So we will pour a little gas down there. See if she fires after we hook this battery up real quick. Of course, she doesn't want to play nice. Give her a little smacky smack. That should work, huh? Get a little gasoline. Pour a little bit down there. Go start it up. Just put the, make sure it's,
Yeah, be careful, the wires are.
there, you're good.
Oh,
A little sparky spark.
great.
You go all the way. Oh, go back. Turn back. And we've got fire. Woohoo! Yeah, we got some fire. That's good, dude. It sounded good. The belt was a little loose, but she started up. So we'll go grab the little gas tank set up. We'll come right back. This baby's heavy. We got her to run, but I ain't got time to hook up a fuel pump, and this thing is really hard to push. So we're gonna pour a little gas down the carburetor. I'm gonna try to keep her running enough with some starting fluid to get her in the shop. A little more probably needed. Okay, start her up. Go! Go! Okay, go. Go! Keep going. Dang, it hurt it. Go forward, turn the wheel. Hurry. You're not out of gas. That works pretty good. So I'll pour some in there, and then you'll go forward, and then you'll have to back up. Okay? Okay, go. I don't want to start again. Forward. Hurry. Okay. Back up. Start going back and it'll roll. You can run out of gas. Back. Okay, turn it off. Turn it off. Get this door open.
Alright, folks. Got her in. That's what I'm talking about.
Smoking.
That for your lunch. Just kidding. Oh.
Well, we got her in the shop. To be changed.